Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, July the 11th, 2025. The verdict from the price action at KSE 100 today is that the trend is still firmly bullish, but it is now also overbought and touching a very important resistance point. These are times when pausing for a mild pullback can be very healthy. Now let's take a closer look. So this is where we are, a 517-point gain, but notice how the index, although clearly bullish, but it is now still touching the upper limit of this reverse channel over here. RSI at 73.89 is now overbought clearly. It's a bullish zone, but it's overbought, which signals strong momentum, but also elevated short-term risk. If you look at the ADX, it is now approaching 30, which means a pretty strong directional trend. There's no doubt about that. But also notice that prices have now risen about 8 to 13% above the 50 and 100-day exponential moving averages, which also shows overstretched conditions. There is also slight contraction now in the candle body near the channel top, which suggests early signs of upside fatigue. And although there is no RSI divergence yet, but continued tracking of momentum is warranted near the 135,000 levels. So the verdict for today's trading, after today's trading session, is that the trend no doubt remains firmly bullish, but the market is now overbought and hugging this resistance at the top of this channel. So while momentum is strong, again, as yesterday, the reward to risk is now thinning. And these are times in technical analysis when it is wise to pause for a mild pullback because, after all, as the market is rising, it has to make higher lows as well.